So OnePlus is planning a major surprise with its compact phone. The mini OnePlus phone is close to launching in China as the OnePlus 13T, but the latest reports suggest that the global version will be called something different. We have seen almost everything about this phone already except the price, but don't worry, we will likely get the full pricing details at the launch event soon. And by the way, there are already unboxing videos floating around giving us a peek at the fresh new design that OnePlus is rolling out. It's a nice change of pace and it gives the lineup a modern feel. As we know, OnePlus announced that they would not launch any phone under T branding and they have stayed true to their word. The OnePlus 13T will only be named for the Chinese market, but the same phone, yes, the same device will be called the OnePlus 13s. Yup, you heard that right. The OnePlus 13T will be the OnePlus 13s internationally. And honestly, I think this is a pretty smart move by OnePlus because if they use the T branding again, people might start expecting a 14T or 15T next year. But OnePlus had already said they are done with the T series, so by going with the 13s, they are making it clear. I am betting S stands for something small like the OnePlus 13 Small. But wait, there is more. While the OnePlus 13s is essentially the same phone, it might come with a few tweaks for global market. One of the most talked about change is the chipset. Instead of the Snapdragon 8 Elite that will power the OnePlus 13T in China, the OnePlus 13s might get the Snapdragon 8s Gen 4. This makes a lot of sense. Think about it, OnePlus already has the 8 Elite chip running in the OnePlus 13 worldwide. Putting the same chip in the 13s could hurt the sales of the regular 13. By going with the 8s Gen 4, OnePlus can differentiate the two phones while keeping the performance up there. It's a smart move in my book. Now let's talk about the cameras. Reports are suggesting that the OnePlus 13s will have 3 cameras equipping the Sony sensor and optical image stabilization. But one of those 3 might even be a telephoto lens. Meanwhile, the Chinese versions, the OnePlus 13T will stick with just 250 megapixel sensors. Looks like OnePlus is giving international users a bit more camera love. Lucky us, right? As for the software, the OnePlus 13s will likely ship with Android 15 and Oxygen OS 15. It will also feature an in-display fingerprint sensor, though it's not clear whether that will be optical or ultrasonic. The device will come with an IP68 or IP69 rating, meaning it will be dust-proof and water-resistant. And yes, it will pack a 6000 mAh or larger battery with support of 80W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. When it comes to colors, you will have 2 options, Obsidian Black and Pearl White. As for the price, report says it will be around $642, though it could vary depending on where you are located. So what do you guys think of this new twist of the OnePlus 13s? Let me know in the comments. With that being said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.